Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's first open again the Muviz Edge application. After that, here we can select one from this available theme. Now I have selected this one. We can switch it, for example, to this one. Just click here to apply. We can here switch the backgrounds of the theme. Tap to apply. When you select, we can hide the music controls after 10 seconds, or just to don't hide them. We can show the incoming notifications for different apps. We can show the dates and the battery status, always while device charging or never. Also, we can go here to the settings section, click to the AOD, and also to switch the always on display feature here, just always while device charging, and one will play me with the music. Or for example, we can use this just display time separately. I'll switch it to always. We can also here switch the screen timeout from 1 minute, just to don't hide the AOD feature. We can also switch the brightness level here to 100%, and to close the AOD by single tap and double tap. And also, if you have set it up the fingerprint to the scanner, so you can just use the fingerprint to lock and to close the AOD. Or also we can use the shadow. We can set the start and the end time of the AOD feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.